Chief Executive, Mr. Dixon's, 疾病主任, Law Sijiang, Dr. Zhang, friends and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So welcome all of you to the 7th editions of the Asian Insurance Forum, organized by the Insurance Authority that serves an excellent platform for discourse on issues of common interest or concern. We're thrilled to see another impressive turnout at this venue, and a larger group is joining us through a virtual means. As some of you may have noticed, the AIF never stopped evolving. This is now a more diverse mix of participants arriving from far corners of the world, many armed with knowledge reaching far beyond the rim of insurance services. There are also greater cross-sector synergies due to meticulous curation of discussion topics and panel speakers. For this year, a half-day format has been adopted to optimize time management and enhance your experience. It is no understatement to say that the world is toiling into a delicate and troubled state. Traditional risks are aggravated by geopolitical tensions, while emerging and exotic risks are created by climate change and cyber exposure. In my view, aspiration for better quality of life cannot be suppressed. Trade and investment will continue to flow. New partnerships and alliances will be forged. The threat of deglobalization will therefore result in reglobalization. A specter of natural catastrophe caused by extreme weather conditions will revive international cooperation. So the theme of rising to the challenge amidst global volatility highlights the role of insurance in supporting people and businesses in striving for sustained progress by effectively mitigating uncertainties. The visual design of a J-ring today that symbolizes harmony, protection, and eternity in the Oriental culture reinforce this theme. Now, let me elaborate on the program rundown. The Chief Executive has honored us by gracing this event and will deliver an opening address. And we look forward to hearing his advice on how the insurance sectors can do to consolidate the status of Hong Kong as an international financial center. After the opening address, Secretary General Jonathan Dixon will update us via a recorded keynote speech on major achievements and initiatives of the International Association of International Supervisors. I take this opportunity to announce that Hong Kong has made a successful bid to host the 2026 IAIS Annual General Meeting and Annual Conference in Hong Kong, which allowing over 600 delegates from over 200 jurisdictions, accounting over 97% of the global insurance market, to witness the vibrancy and dynamism of this world city of Asia. The proceeding of today will then move into 4 panel discussions, beginning with the first one moderated by the Honorable Laura Cha, where the head of prominent think tank and regulators from the United States, Bermuda, and Australia will deliberate on supervisory priorities from a global perspective. After the coffee break, Director General Ms. Law Sijiang from the National Financial Regulatory Administration in Beijing will deliver the second keynote speech to provide valuable insight on mainland insurance industry, its interaction with local market, and how Hong Kong and the mainland can cooperate to cope with the challenges ahead. In the second panel discussions, Dr. Stephen Wong will flank by 5 experts to analyze the prospect of bolstering headquarters economy to supercharge Hong Kong as a super connector, as well as a super value added. In the third panel discussions, you will witness Professor Anna Wong leveraging on her background as a former private banker to explore with top executives on how to devise insurance solutions in wealth management, before the main forum draws a close. But of course, the show does not stop there. In kicking off the luncheon, the Deputy Chief Secretary will whet your appetite by giving a special remark that lead up to the final panel, where Clement Zhang, our CEO, will introduce the IA leadership and steer a dialogue about our core values and team spirit. With only 3 weeks to go to 2024, I would like to conclude by wishing you all a safe, healthy, and fulfilling year ahead. So have a productive and engaging forum for the rest of the day. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Yu.